Hi everyone, in this video we'll see the latest version of YITH WooCommerce email templates. With this plugin you can customize all the emails that are sent from your shop. We'll see how to configure the plugin and how the template builder works, but first let me remind you that we'll list the links to the plugin, documentation and live demo with access to the admin dashboard below in the description or in the first comment. Now let's get to it. So we're in the dashboard where you can configure the settings and create the email templates. First, in general settings, you can upload the default logo you want to use for your emails. You can upload the file or enter the URL. We'll see in a few minutes you can override this logo in the template builder in case you want to use a different one for specific emails. Then in the social network section, we have all the social media platforms. You can enable and disable each one of them by clicking here. So we're disabling Facebook. You can add each profile's URL and you can upload a custom icon for each platform. This is only in case you want to use custom icons. If not, the default ones will be used in the emails. By adding your social media profiles to your emails, customers can simply click on the icons and get redirected to your profiles. Now let's move on to emails and templates. We'll find these two tabs. First, in emails, you'll find all the emails that are sent from your website. You can filter by category here. We have all categories, WooCommerce or others. We have each email's title, who they're sent to. In this case, I have the admin email, but these ones are sent to the customer. And here's where you can decide which template you want to use for each one of these emails. You can use WooCommerce default template or any of the custom templates created here in templates. Each email can have a different template as you can see here. And if you need to, you can check several emails like this and you'll see bulk actions to apply one template to several emails at once. Finally, in templates, you can create all your custom templates by clicking on Add Email Template. And once they're created, you will find them here, identified by the name you entered for each template. You can edit each template by clicking on its name or here, and you can also duplicate or delete each template. And if you need to, you have bulk actions here to edit or delete several templates at once. Before moving on, let me remind you to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell down below so you know every time we publish a new video. Now, let's continue. Now let's go ahead and create a new template. Let's click on Add Email Template. And we get this template builder with 6 different tabs with options to customize every inch of this template and a live preview so we can see all the changes applied in real time. So in general, you can enter a name for this template. This is only for you to identify it. Let's say I want to create a Christmas template so I can exclusively use it during the Christmas time. Then we can select the template to start off. We have 4 default templates. We have default, which is the one we see here. We have informal, we have elegant, and we have casual. Let's just start off with the default template. We have the background color. You can see that here, the page width, padding, and border radius. And here's the option where we can either use the default logo, the one we saw at the start of the video, or we can choose to hide the logo altogether. This is the default logo here. I'm going to hide it, no logo, or we can upload a custom logo. Let's do that by clicking here. I'm selecting this logo and select. Great, that's more Christmassy. And we can also change the logo's height and position. Center is perfect for me. And now let's move on to the header tab. This includes options for this section. We have the header background color, the padding, the heading background color. In this case, since it's a Christmas email, let's do a dark red. There we go. We have the heading text color, which is white. That's perfect for me. And the font. You can either use the default font or choose one of the Google fonts here. Let's use one of these. There we go. And you can change the font size and the alignment. And then in the subheader tab, you can choose the background color, you can add custom links, and here we can choose to show the social icons. We can either show them in the subheader section or in the footer. Let's add them to the subheader section first, and here we can select the color for the icons. They can be white, which is not visible with this background color, or black. There we go. So customers can simply click on the icon and get redirected to your social media profile. I'm going to remove this and we'll add them later to the footer. Then in body, we can choose all the colors in the body, text, headings, the links, the borders, And here we can choose to add a body image. We don't have one right now. Let's select this one. And there we go. And we can choose to have it full width or not. We can also choose the font here for the text in the body, the headings font, and its size. Then in the footer tab, we'll find logo options. Let's scroll down a bit. We can choose to hide the logo, use the default one, use the header logo, or upload a custom logo. Let's use the header logo. In this case, the height is 70 pixels, so it's smaller than this one right here. We can add a text to the footer like this. Keep in mind you can use HTML code in this field as well to add basic styles like bold, italic, and so on. We can choose the font size, the alignment. As you can see, this preview is great to see all the changes in real time as you configure the template. Then we have the colors. We can also add a footer image, and let's add the social media icons. Let's do it in black, of course, so we can see them. There we go. They're right here. Perfect. And then we have WooCommerce footer. If you have set WooCommerce footer in WooCommerce settings, you can customize it by defining the colors and the font size. And last, let's move on to extra. Here we have options for the order details table, like showing the product images, the background color, the heading background, the heading text color, and the border width and color. For example, let's change the border color to match this color. And here we can enter custom CSS rules in case we want to customize the template in an advanced way. So we have the full preview right here, but if we needed to, we can just click here and send the test email. You just need to enter the email here, click send, and you'll get the email sent to you. Now that we're all done, let's save and let's go back. And here we have the new template. And that's it. That's how easy it is to configure the options and create your own custom email templates. Okay, so you can configure and use the plugin. See you soon in the next video tutorial.